Ya nanti ini langsung.
Welcome to Kakao Gardens and good afternoon.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Pak Samidi. Kita sebagai kelompok perkebunan.
My name is Samidi. I'm part of farming community in this.
Kita yang budidaya tentang tanaman kakao. Nanti kita akan menjelaskan bagaimana tata cara menanam kakao.
So, can you repeat?
Ulangi, Bang.
Kita sebagai petani yang memelihara tanaman kakao, kita yang membudidaya nanti yang kita jelaskan sampai biji kering.
Okay. As part of farming community, what we are doing is how to plant and grow this cacao plant after it is harvested and becomes dried cacao.
Di sini kita akan menjelaskan secara teori dulu, nanti kita praktek langsung.
So it will be theoretical first, and after that we practice it.
Ya. Pertama ya, kita mau membuat bibit dulu. Ini cara membuat bibit. Kita ambil buah kakao yang matang, lalu kita pangkas ujung dan pangkalnya. Kita ambil biji yang tengah seperti ini, lalu nanti digosok pakai abu.
It's quite long. Okay.
Pertama
So
ambil
the
buah
first
kakao.
time is just pick
Pick the right cacao.
Okay, pick.
So the first step is to pick the right cacao, and then it's to open it, right? Correct?
Open it. That's correct.
Open it, and you can see on the picture. Then we're gonna cleanse, right? Let's stop this one. Yeah, ini ambil buahnya.
Ya,
Ambil
buah
buahnya.
kakao matang.
Bukain
Buah kakao
terus, ya,
matang,
di sini.
dipangkas.
Ya.
Pangkas ujung dan pangkal, kita ambil biji yang tengah.
Okay, so then we grab the seeds inside of the cacao, and we cleanse it with air.
Ya,
Betul.
menghilangkan
Bersih.
lendir karena banyak lendir, hingga kita gosok pakai abu.
Okay, so then we're gonna cleanse it like with ashes.
Setelah digosok pakai abu kan bersih seperti ini ya. Setelah bersih, baru kita semai ya. Kita pupuk, kita siapkan tempat seperti ini.
Tabur. Ya.
Okay, so that's when it looks like after it's been cleansed with ashes, and then we're gonna take it and prepare the place to
Masuk, ya.
put it inside of the
Ya.
Tanah. Ya.
inside of the sediment.
Ya.
So we're gonna grab a
Ini.
bucket, put the sediment inside of it, and then we plant the seeds inside.
Ini kan ditata di sini ya. Setelah sini umur 2 minggu. 2 minggu jadi kecambah seperti ini.
So after 2 weeks, the roots actually grow, and it looks like the picture right here.
Setelah jadi kitambah ini ya, nanti kita siapkan polybag plastik. Itu kita isi dengan tanah dan pupuk. Nah, setelah ini siap, baru tambah ini kita masukkan ke sini.
Okay, so after 2 weeks, like the roots began to grow like this, we put it inside of like a bag with sediment and like filtration. Yes, fertilizer.
Setelah masuk ke sini, ini udah masuk ini kita siram ya, kita sirami pagi dan sore.
So we give water.
Pagi dan sore nanti ini sekitar umur 1 bulan. Ini
Okay, so we give them water every morning and afternoon, if I'm correct.
Yeah.
And then after 2 months or a month. Okay, so after a couple of months it looks like this, and after 3 months we plant it like outside over there. After 3 months it gets like this.
Setelah umur 3 bulan berarti kita pindah ke lubang tanamnya.
Okay, so after 3 months we replace it and put it inside of the sediment like here.
Sebelum membuat ini kan kita membuat lubang tanam dulu. Yang mau nanam ini kan kita buat lubang dengan kedalaman
60. So after 60 centimeter, we're gonna plant it inside of the tentage. So they just put it after 60 centimeters. They just put it in the sediment in the hole, and so they plant it here, and then they treat them, give care until it grows until this big tree. Right.
Ini secara teori seperti ini. Kalau teorinya ini kan yang belum bisa ditanyakan.
So this is like the process of the plantage here, how they grow from the seed to a little tree and to a bigger one. And if you have more questions, you can always ask the staff for specific questions. And stuff.
What is the color of the so when it's ripe? Kalau apa? Sudah matang warnanya. Sudah matang warnanya apa ya?
Kalau sudah matang itu berarti warnanya sudah kuning.
Oh, so when it's ripe, it turns yellow.
Jadi kakao itu ada dua warna, hijau dan merah.
Seperti itu udah matang itu.
So there's actually three colors. You have the red one, the green one, and the yellow one. The yellow one in the back is actually already ripe.
Merah dan hijau, tapi kalau matang sudah dipanen itu warnanya kuning.
Yeah.
Kuning.
So the green and red one is not ripe yet, but the yellow one is ripe. And that's how you can open it and take the seeds.
Kenapa apa bersih ini?
Ya kan karena ini banyak lendir ya, banyak lendir.
Selaputnya.
Kan licin, banyak supaya bersih ini kan digosok pakai api.
Oh, okay. So the seeds are actually very sticky, and the jelly-like substance sticks to the ashes, and that's why the jelly-like stuff goes away from the seed, and then the seed becomes dry.
Soalnya kalau tidak digosok pakai abu, nanti langsung dimasukkan sini itu kan malah busuk.
So if you skip the ashes, the washing in ashes part, and you put it straight away in the sediment, it gets rotten, and then it will not grow like the roots. You had a question? So how many hectares is it?
Berapa besar kebunnya? Ini saja. Ya sebetulnya di Langgeran itu kan semua warga itu punya tanaman kakao. Tapi tanaman kakao kebanyakan itu di rumah, tanaman rumah. Jadi ada yang punya banyak.
Sosis jagung Dewi tak ngerti muning jame ndung terus jengkrong terus itu sekombung terus
he has 60 trees, but actually in this area there are a lot of villagers who have like cacao trees in their gardens, and some are smaller, some are bigger, but for this place he has 60 trees, and about the hectares I don't really know, but 60 trees. Are there more questions?
Kalau pasca panennya ya setelah itu kan kita pakainya itu tidak langsung dimasak, tapi harus
Fermentasi.
fermentasi yang ferment itu kan yang dibiarkan 2 hari.
So what else they do is they pick their ripe cocoa and then just put it on the ground, and they leave it for 2 days until it's like really, really ripe. And after that,
Setelah itu kita pecah, lalu kita masukkan ke kotak fermentasi.
okay, so after it's really, really ripe, after 2 days, they break it open and they fermentize it.
Besok pagi kita bikin olahannya.
Itu bisa bikin coklat.
Kita ya itu cuma dimulai dari kita yang tiga tanaman.
So after that, they just dry the seeds and give it to another processor. They process it later on.
Iya.
Another processor.
Any other questions, maybe?
Ini kan sore tadi kita ambil.
Nah, kita praktek.
So if there's no questions, we're gonna continue and actually, make work. We're gonna process this. Let's move to this side.
Every waiting one.
That.
Ini kan banyak lendir ya. Makanya digosok pakai api.
So that's why I already explained. We're gonna grab the ashes, so the sticky fungus thingy sticks to the. Yeah.
Cepat, Pak.
Yang itu pakai air itu kan nggak bisa licin, Mbak. Sampai
Because if we wash it with water, the sticky thing doesn't go away.
sampai bersih ya, lendirnya sampai ya.
So we just wash it in the ashes until there's no stickiness around this.
Setelah seperti ini kan tadi kita siapkan tempat seperti ini ya. Kita tata dulu.
So these are already dry. We're just gonna put it into the sediment like that.
Nanti setelah umur 3 minggu, 2 minggu sampai 3 minggu sudah jadi seperti ini.
So after 2-3 weeks, it gets like the little one. It creates a sapling like that.
Ini kan kecambahnya jadi seperti ini ya. Setelah jadi kecambah seperti ini, baru kita pindah ke sini.
So after that, we're gonna move it after 2-3 weeks. We're gonna move it to a little pot like that.
Ini kan kita masukkan ya, kita pindah ke sini.
So we put it inside.
Lalu kita sirami. Jangan digigit ya.
Then we give it a little bit.
Udah sedikit ya.
Then we give a little bit of water.
Nanti setelah ini kan sudah pecah ini ya, pecah jadi membuat batang kalau batang.
Oh, it's already okay. Yes, yes. I already explained.
Karena tadi kan kelas pertama itu kan akar. Setelah akarnya sudah pecah.
So yes, basically what I just said. So after your seed opens and it creates like a little sapling like that, we just change it into little pots.
Atau untuk mengetahui calon akarnya, nanti letaknya tidak tidur gini ya, kita kupas lagi, kita kupas lagi untuk mengetahui calon akarnya. Nah, seperti ini kalau dihilangi ini ya, pasti nanti kelihatan calon akarnya.
So before we actually put it in the sediment, we have to peel like a little fish. So we make sure that the seaweed or something comes out.
Kalau sudah kelihatan kalau ini naruhnya di sini jangan tidur ya.
Takut ya. Dan jika saya takut ya malah. Takut
Before
kan.
you send it, you take off the fish and then you
Orang
put
ngecek
it inside of the sediment.
Nanti malah kabus.
Pas gede ya.
So actually there's two ways. The one is not putting the fish out of the seed. Not put the fish off the seed. You just put it laying down horizontally in the sediment. But if you take off the fish, then you put it upwards, the vertical into the sediment.
Setelah sini dah kita rawat
So after 2.5 months, it turns into this big plant or big little plant. So yeah, after 3 months, we put it here into the ground.
How does it work in nature? So no one puts like ashes bukain semua, ambilin isinya. Kalau biasa so no, in nature there's no human tree like next plant grows. Because there's no one who puts it away. I believe so. I think it stays for a long time. It's like the outer shell decompose, and maybe then it dries out, and like this thing will also dry out, and maybe some will be eaten by birds, some will be are able to survive and grow old. So I think it's like it's like so some like get eaten by birds, some survive by birds. But the slimy thing will dry out.
Ya itu pada apa? Ada putar kosong.
So after the 3-month-year-old tree gets planted, after 1.5 years it gets fruits. Oh, sorry, flowers.
setelah berbunga ya sampai matang itu umurnya 5 bulan.
So after it grows flowers, after 5 months, it creates like a little fruit like that.
Ya, karena sing jog-jog motor jog-jog di sini. Apa sing kriwil-kriwil lah?
So it like blossoms every time. So it has like different stations. So some branches has flowers, and some branches already have like little fruits.
Kalau udah panen kan berarti kita sekarang cara memetiknya. Setelah metik nanti kita praktek misalnya
kemauan ini masih pertama
kita praktek metik aja.
So we're gonna do this all together. Oh, to harvest. Okay, we're gonna pick the fruit. So the yellow ones, those are ripe.
Bisa nanti praktek itu ada yang pendek, ada yang kita kasih teori cara metiknya.
Berapa mau?
Nanti kan yang pendek-pendek yang bukan itu kan.
Oh iya.
Kita geser ini aja, kita praktek metiknya.
Okay, we're gonna follow the map.
Ini dulunya kan warna merah. Tapi kalau matang udah warna.
Okay, so these ones. I hope everyone can see it, but these fruits, they were red and they are now yellow, that means they are ripe. And you guys can later on also pick their yellow ones, and that is actually a little bit below of the tree.
Cara medeknya ya, kita pegang buah ini.
So how we harvest it is we hold it like this,
Harus pakai gunting.
and like with scissors, garden scissors.
Medeknya itu memepet buahnya.
So the scissors is against the fruit, but okay, so against the fruit.
Tidak mepet batang. Karena ini bantalan buah ini nanti yang bunga lagi di sini.
Okay, so really put the scissors against the fruit, so right here, and not against the tree because it might grow another fruit.
Intinya gini ya.
So you just cut it like that.
Nanti 1 bulan pasti bunga lagi di sini.
So after a month, another flower will come from where you cut it.
Mau praktek medek? Silakan.
Does someone wants to cut fruit? Who wants
the cameraman.
to start? Ah, that's
Pegang dulu sini.
Wait.
Pepetkan buahnya.
Camera.
So you're gonna hold it
Let me
and
check
put
it.
the scissors.
Ya. Itu.
Profesor.
Lagi praktek ini mana?
Yang ini mau.
Oh ya.
Monggo, silakan.
Can you give me the
Pegang
scissors?
buah, angkat gini biar kelihatan tangkainya.
Yeah, how the
Ya, betul. Angkat sini, angkat sini.
yang ini juga ya?
Ye, ada lagi.
There is another one that someone wants to cut.
Ini atau ini? Kalau tinggi.
Oh, you can choose.
Mepet buah.
So close to the close to the fruit.
Ya.
Yang ini juga ya?
Medeknya tidak boleh dipanjang ya.
Oh, okay, another one, yes.
Ya, di mana?
Ini yang masuk Pak. Oke. Pegang ini.
Okay, put the scissors against the fruit.
Ya.
One more.
Oh.
Langsung praktek. Mecah.
Okay, actually there is another one, guys. Is there
Mecah.
another one who wants to cut?
Here, this one. Is this
Oh.
Ini tinggi kalau ini.
Kayak
high?
Satu lagi.
It's too high.
Tapi ada semutnya itu.
Ini.
Ya,
Ini nggak apa-apa ini.
Oh, enggak apa-apa. Ini ada pendek.
Oh, you can shoot.
Ya, udah ya. Dari medek kita proses pemecahannya.
Okay, so after we took the fruit, we're gonna open it.
Geser lagi di sini. Bisa kan surprise.
Okay, so after we took the fruits, we're gonna put it in bags and put it together.
Setelah beram, baru kita pemecahannya pakai benda tumpul. Tidak boleh benda tajam. Nah, jangan sampai mengenai giginya.
So first, before he cuts it open, he's gonna grab a hammer and like give like some little chaos. Very gentle,
Yeah.
and he opens it.
Ini bisa dimakan.
Ambil lendirnya aja. Jadi
Bijinya masukkan sini.
bijinya dilepas lagi.
So you can actually eat this.
Dimakan bisa.
You can eat jelly.
Yeah, you can eat the jelly. So what you do, you suck on the seed and then spit it here out. So you spit it out.
Tidak boleh giginya.
Don't bite it, okay? Just suck it. Yeah.
Harus ini.
And after that you can. Rasanya apa?
Rasanya masih manis kan. Lanjut. Enggak apa-apa coba aja. Tapi nanti di
Jangan ditelan ya.
Don't swallow it.
Jangan swallow it. Jangan
Don't swallow it.
Ya.
Don't swallow it.
What to swallow?
The seed. Don't swallow the seed.
Sudah dikumpulkan di sini.
Yeah, it will go inside your tummy, and then you'll be a tree.
Jangan sampai penasaran ya.
Anyone wants to try?
The taste.
Grow with your saliva.
The taste, it tastes like a little bit of how do you say it? Soury, sweet. This man really likes it.
Pegang aja kalau.
But don't bite it, don't swallow it.
Tidak apa-apa.
Belanda nggak ada coklat.
These things, kacang atau?
You can pass as much as you want, as long as you get the seed here.
Tapi di tempat banyak di gunung itu mungkin ada.
Cabang Belanda.
Wonosari cabang Belanda Pak.
You want to bring it?
Balap.
Yes.
You want to how much? Are you strong? Are you strong in general? You need to be gentle, yeah? Yeah.
Look at here, again.
Stop.
Now you break it open.
Professor.
Ayo. Ini banyak lendir juga.
So if anyone wants more, they can.
You guys show me my kids. Give me your white sticks.
Guys, make sure you put us in back.
Itu lagi enggak apa-apa.
Like this in Sverige. Please return the seat. You can bring it home.
Rasa doku.
Ini mas.
Bayar kau utang.
Siap kalau otak nomornya juga. Power itu. Tak nomor itu. Standing.
You can have your attention again. We're gonna continue.
Oh, mau pukul lagi. Sebentar, Pak.
Okay, sorry.
Kebalik.
The wrong side. Alright, I think everybody tasted the seed, right? So you're continue.
Sudah, kita dari mecah ya, kita masukkan, kita bersih, lalu kita masukkan ke kotak ini. Namanya kotak fermentasi.
untuk fermentasi.
Okay, so after the seed in our spit, we're gonna put it in this box, which is for fermentation.
Ini pas kita fermentasi.
Fermentation.
Setelah mecah ya, setelah mecah kita masukkan ke kotak ini.
So after we break it open and clean it like that, we put it in here. And you can all take a look, and this is how it looks after it's fermented for a while.
Ini masuk di sini 3 hari. Setelah 3 hari di sini baru dibalik ke kotak kedua.
So we put it in. Yeah. Okay, guys.
Fermentation process.
So the fermentation process. Also, guys in the back, you're ready to hear the next step. So after we broke open the fruit, we clean it like that, what we just did. They put it into this fermentation box. It has 2 processes. So we put it in the upper part, and it is covered with banana leaves. So it stays here for 3 days. After 3 days, we put it into the down part.
Ini udah 3 hari ya.
So this is already 3 days of fermentation.
Kita pindah ke sini.
And we're gonna put it in the below part.
Namanya pembalikan.
The name is like turn it over.
Ini taruh di sini.
So he grabs like a shovel, he scoops it into the lower compartment, and we turn it.
Yang di atas kan warnanya beda ya. Kuning ya. Ini yang bawah, ini masih seperti ini.
So the upper part of the upper section is already turning yellow because of fermentation, but the below part, like under here, is still white.
Makanya diadakan pembalikan.
That's why we're gonna turn it over, kembalikan.
Ini kan beda ya. Yang di bawah pati warnanya belum berubah. Ya. Kalau ini belum, ini langsung metik. Yang putih itu udah apa-apa diproses sini.
So if you can see, he already got the upper part. You see that the seeds here are white.
Yeah.
Is there anyone who wants to scoop it and turn it over? So he's gonna go first. So just scoop it and then turn it over. Yes. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, professional.
Yeah. So maybe another one. Just scoop it. Turn it over. Yes. Okay, grab more. Well, you more. There's a question. Why do we have to turn over? Was the question? So
this is really
when we open the upper compartment, the upper seeds are yellow because of fermentation, but the seeds that are below, like on the bottom, they are still white. So they also need to turn yellow. That's why we scoop it and turn it over. So they all can turn yellow.
Jadi kita stands there.
Mas, gimana kerdus coba biji kering contoh.
Can you handle the smell?
Kerdus beneran kalau biji kering.
It's only sour, yeah.
Oh iya, ini kan. Lu apa tidak di semua ya? Oh.
Yeah, do you like it?
Munir.
In
Munir.
Germany, you don't have that.
Munir.
Europe.
This is our cow, man. You get drunk. The smell.
We're gonna close it.
So this it seems like these guys eat these things too much. Yeah?
In the down compartment, it stays there for 2 days.
This again.
Guys, Samiti.
We can eat them.
You eat coklat. Coklat manis 100%. Pahit. Pahit gak bahasanya? Pahit.
Do it first.
Bitter. Pahit. Baik.
Like a coffee? Like coffee ya? Like coffee.
Berapa hari, Bang?
Like coffee. Yeah, this is coffee.
Kadung itu 3 hari udah kering. Ya, nanti bisa lihat.
Okay, so after it stays in the down
don't have
compartment
more,
for 2
please.
days. After that, they take it out and they're gonna clean it with ashes. So they can do it by hand. We're using those thick sieves, or they put it inside this like compartment, solar doom, and it's automatic. So it gets dry and clean. And after it's been there for 3 days, it looks like this. So it's very dry, it's brown, it's dark.
And sweet. And sweet. So that people can eat it. Not sweet, man.
It's bitter, right?
Yeah, it's bitter.
But it
It's
tastes
medicine.
Tastes like
It's medicine, yeah? Obat.
Obat lapar.
medicine for hungry.
Come on, it's bitter.
Put it in boxes and they give it to the
100% chocolate.
Oh,
Kalau udah kering ini, kalau dimakan dia
so actually you can
Yeah.
also
Bitter,
eat it.
not sweet. It's good for your heart. Good for your
yes. The reason why I said it's medicine.
ini bisa dimakan.
So a little flesh will come out and this what is left.
Coba aja. Pahit
You can
tapi
eat it.
enak.
But it,
Very
it
sweet.
doesn't taste good. And I think this guy wants to try it. But it's very bitter.
Semakin lama semakin enak.
You like it?
This guy is okay with it.
It's not sweet. So this one is a little bit broken.
No sugar. No sugar.
Sorry, man. Sorry.
It's bitter. Want to try it?
Oh ya.
You like it?
I prefer the processed one, not this one. This one is raw. So to make chocolate, you mix it with what?
Yes, this is.
You crush it.
Yeah.
You also want to try it?
Tomorrow you are going to study how to make a chocolate from
Oh, this one. Oh.
Gria coklat. Gria coklat. Please, the process of coklat and gria coklat.
Nanti minum susu kambing. Harganya nyusu. The milk.
Ada yang alergi dong.
So will be
Not like this, dude. You know, the goat is very small.
yeah, I'm saying will
Like
be.
this. How big is your
Yeah, I know goats, Masares. I have goats in Zimbabwe. I'm a farmer.
You have farming?
What? Yeah, we do farming in Zimbabwe. We have goats, cows. Yeah, it's a person. I was wondering who is that? Maybe it's an animal. Orang. It's sweet ya. Ketelan, semacam ketelan. Apa ya? Yeah, very good. Yeah. Oh, this one. Yeah, let's try alphabet.
It's very bitter.
What? You want all of them? You spend 4 years eating this thing. Because one, you spend the whole day.
No, because I know the taste.
I want to cure my stomach with this. It's medicine. Bro, Jafet. Actually, it's medicine. It's medicine, man. Yeah. It cure your heart. If you have a heartbreak, Jafet. If you have a heartbreak,
Ja, ze heeft wel wat.
kandang kambing.
Coba.
Kandangnya tebel.
Arah kembung. Nggak kan sejalur. Sejalur sini kandang kayak embung. Tapi saat durung embung itu snack sih. Saat durung embung, kan seko kambing yang embung, maning parkiran sih snack baru munggah.
Oh, ada snack.
Ada.
Sunsetnya kan tadi jauh.
Lah nggih makane snackan sih ya. Kan mubeng ki mau ya karo wedangan. Kenapa itu?
Mirip Silverpin.
Okay guys, so that is actually, if I can have your attention again.
You have question, guys?
Question. So that's the process. Is there any questions?
No?
If not, we're going to continue to.
Yeah.
If not,
Good
we're
farming.
going to continue to.
What do you do with the...
Okay.
Ini bisa pakan ternak. Pakan kambing.
So the shells, good question. They're gonna give it to animals, so cows, to goats, and also the leaves they can give it to the animals here. So it's like recycling from.
All of those saplings, so all those...
Ya mau membuat nanti tapi kita menunggu kemarau. Biar awal persiapan. Sekarang nanamnya di mana ini?
Oh, kalau ini udah dibiarin gini, setengah sekarang ini sudah masa produktif. Nah, nanti kita tanamnya itu biasanya pohon-pohon yang sudah tidak produktif itu ditebang terus diganti.
They always boven die zijn zo de producties. Maar stel je is niet
Dokumentasi pribadi.
Okay, if no one has
YouTube.
questions,
Oh,
we're going to
streaming.
continue and go to the goat farm. Yes.
Sinyalnya itu berikut.
Let's see some goats. So if everybody wants to go
Guys,
back to
cuci
the
tangan karo kamar mandi.
and of course thank Papa first for giving his explanation and his time.
Let's give a round of applause.
So he says, I'm sorry if you couldn't understand or if I give too little information, but I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you Nikita.